All right, what we have here, this is 3 pieces of Mariposite from California. I'm not going to do an entire full polish and all the way around. We're going to do a face polish. So to do that, we actually need to grind it down and expose a surface to polish. So let's go ahead and get that done. This feels like it could be fairly soft too, so I don't expect this to take really too long to grind down. So let's go ahead and turn on the grinder. We still have a little bit of water. Cool. Go ahead and get this started. Water. And let's do Alright, the next step is take it to the cabbing machine and use the Nova wheels to go onto the, I think 140 grit stage to get all the deep grinding marks out from this stage. And then after that stage, we'll do 280, and then 600, 1200, and then 3000. Here is the first piece, is the back side, and for all 3 of these pieces, I only did a face polish. So this is the back side of the first one, and there's the front. These turned out really, really nice. I love the different colors. I also like there's like other types of minerals in here. Now, I'm not 100% sure what that could be. Sometimes these can have gold in them, but I don't know if that's gold. That might be, it could be pyrite as well. It's not, I'm not 100% sure on that, but it doesn't matter. These are really cool pieces in their, little pocket right there. But these are really, really cool. So that's the first piece. Here's the second piece. There's the back side. And here's the front side. Yeah, these are really, really cool. And these come from California. So that's piece number 2. And then here is piece number 3. You are going to have to let me know in the comment section of which one is your favorite. 1, 2, or 3. And here is the top side of number 3. Look at that. I just love the color. It's a mix of greens and yellowy oranges. Yeah, these are really cool. So yeah, let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. And I can tell you right now, I kept the smallest one for myself. And so number 1 is my favorite. But let me know which one is your favorite. And that will do today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Rock on.